Oh, that's a lunch. Look at the size of this guy. Mosquitoes.
I don't want to eat everyone.
That's a big bird, man.
Why do you want to eat everyone?
Look at the size of you. Aw. Cuckoo. Just don't snap me, okay?
We'll stop him.
Oh, oh, oh. You coming up?
Flamingos.
Yeah, we're gonna back away now because he might just eat me. Oh, the other one's coming. Where'd he go? There it is.
Can I pet it?
Can you pet it? Probably not. Not a good thing.
Can I pet you?
Try it.
Hi.
Try it. This is funny. I'm filming.
Can I pet you? I don't think I can. I don't
Try
think
it.
you want me to.
Come on, try it. See what happens. She's probably gonna want a piece of bread.
Yeah. Can I give him that?
Do it. Just don't get caught.
No, I don't think so. Was it a flamingo taking those noises?
I don't know.